I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have your Scratch username or the email tied to your account and your password ready. This saves time. Open Scratch. Mit, Edu or the Scratch app and locate the sign-in button in the top right. If you prefer a third-party sign-in like Google or Apple, select that option now and choose the account you want. Once done, watch for any pop-up windows or permission prompts and approve them so Scratch can finish the authentication step. You'll now enter your credentials. Type your username or email exactly as registered because small differences matter. Next, enter your password. If you use two-factor authentication, be ready to enter the code sent to your device or email. Click Sign In and let the site process the login. If Scratch asks to allow cookies or site permissions, accept them so your session persists. If a recovery prompt appears, follow the on-screen steps to confirm it's really you before continuing. Finish by checking the top right corner for your avatar or username. That confirms you're signed in. If you don't see that, first try a simple fix. Click Forgot Password and follow the reset link, or clear your browser cache and try again. Make sure your browser is up to date and that cookies aren't blocked. If the account stays locked, use your recovery email or the Scratch account support flow to regain access. Keep calm and follow their steps carefully to avoid extra lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.